Good morning, good morning. Chala. Anyone has gone through today's thought? Anyone knows which is today's thought? No one? No one knows? Chala, no problem. See now, boys, everyone has to come and give today the paper, okay? And see that you come and give on time, okay? Your timing is from 11 o'clock onwards. Is it clear? Boys, is it clear? Boys, hello? Can you listen? Am I audible? Boys, hello? Boys, can you listen me? Now, what is today's thought? Success is the sum. What it is? Success is the sum, okay, of the efforts that you are doing to complete your work, okay? Like whatever the work you do to reach to your success, it is the sum, right? All the efforts that you are doing. Am I clear? See, if you don't work hard, if you don't do any uh, work to get success, then you won't, right? Then you won't get any success. I present my screen and show you the thought. Can you see, boys, my screen? Can you see my screen, boys? Boys, reply yes or no. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, what is success? What is success?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Yes, on the path which you are going and you achieve it, it is success, right? On your
नहीं,
goal.
हम जो काम करते हैं ना उसमें हमें कामयाबी लाना ना उसको कहते हैं सक्सेस.
Yes, very good. The work which you are doing, right? For example, your goal, whatever is your goal, right? For achieving that goal, you work hard, right? Yes or no, beta?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
work hard, right? All those work is what? All those work is your small efforts, your repeated small efforts or big efforts, okay? Your repeated small and big efforts will lead you to success in your life. Am I clear? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So keep on succeeding and keep on doing hard work, okay? So that you reach to your goal, right?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am. Right.
clear? Yes. I hope everyone will do hard work, you know, and to get your goal achieved, right? If you don't do any work and you sit only there and wait for the success to come, it will never come to you, right? Always you have to put some efforts for that. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Hello, boys. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Yes. Now we'll start the lesson which we were doing in the last class, right? Which lesson we were doing?
Last class.
Hmm. Lesson number 3. Which lesson we were doing?
Likes and dislikes.
Yes. Very good. Anna spoke that.
यस मैम मैं बोल रहा था।
Yes, likes and dislikes of Unit 1 families on the move, right? In that we saw culture and tradition, right? Now today we will go ahead after the fruits. Yes, the story also we completed, right? Now dressing up in India, right? Now dressing up in India.
Yes.
See, dressing up in India, okay, is also an important thing which reflects the culture of our country. What does it reflect, beta? Culture. What does it reflect? Reflect, beta? The culture, the tradition which we are following, right? So people from
Yes.
different parts of the country look different, not only due to their features, but also because of the clothes and the jewelry they wear. Because of what, beta? The clothes and jewelry they are wearing. It depends on that also, right?
They were. They were.
But also because of the clothes and jewelry they wear. The types of clothes people wear often depends on the climate and place where they live. Some places in India are extremely hot. How are they? They are extremely hot. Yes or no?
Yes ma'am. Yes
Like
ma'am.
the Rajasthan desert area, right? So they are extremely hot, right?
Yes.
So the types of clothes, what will be they wear? They will wear clothes cotton clothes and all this, like right? Some live
Yes.
near the sea in coastal areas, right? Anita, for example, is from Cochin in Kerala. Her father wears a shirt with a lungi called mundu when he is relaxing at home. But Carol's parents, who are from Goa, like this way, they prefer to wear Bermuda, shorts, and t-shirts at home, right?
Yes
But
ma'am.
most Indian women wear saris. The saris is a 30,000 years old garment. Though sari is worn in most part of the country, the style of wearing the sari depends on different states, right? Bengali
Yes.
find so how Bengali traditional people wear sari, they went in a different type of way, right? So these are all types of the dressing up in India, right? Depending upon
Yes.
the climate of particular place. How do the clothes they wear? Depending upon the climate of the particular place, right or wrong?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, very good. Chalo. Who will read this?
Ma'am.
Yes, Anas.
Okay. Dressing up India. People from different parts of the country look different not only due to their features but also because of clothes and jewelry they wear. The type of clothes people wear often depends
Often, nahi, often.
often
Often.
of, often depends on the climate and place where they live. Some places in India are extremely
Extremely.
extremely hot in summers and some places are extremely cold in winters.
Very good.
Some live near the sea in coastal areas.
Coastal areas, you know what is coastal areas? Near the sea coast, right? You know, Indian border is about India in the southern, from western part to eastern part, इंडिया की बॉर्डर 6,100 किलोमीटर है जो कोस्टल एरिया से है राइट so many people live near coastal area right
Yes,
yes
coastal areas. Anita, for example,
is from Cochin in Kerala. Her father wear a shirt with a lungi called mundu. When he is
Mundu, yes. It is called Nungu. Mundo.
mundu, when he is relaxing at home. But Carol's parents, मैम ये कैरल्स और मुंडू तो नहीं पढ़ा हमने इंडिया वाले में.
हाँ.
When he is relaxing at home. But Carol's parents, who are from Goa, prefer to
Yes.
wear
They,
Bermuda.
yes. They prefer to wear Bermuda. What do they mean? Wear Bermuda, right?
Bermuda, Bermuda
Yes.
shorts and Bermuda shorts and t-shirt at home.
Very good. So they wear different types of clothes like this. You can see in this. No doubt today, because of modernization, everyone is wearing what type of clothes? Each and everyone's clothing has been changed, right? Everyone is wearing different type of clothes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Like for example, we all are wearing today Western clothes, right? Like we all are wearing shorts, we are all wearing pants, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes, very good.
Yes,
You can
ma'am.
continue, better.
Okay, ma'am. Most Indian women wear saris. The sari is a 3,000 years old
Yes.
journey.
Sari is how many years old in our country?
Three
3,000 years. From ancient people, they all are wearing the saris, right?
yes, ma'am. 3,000 years old German. It तीन हजार
Garment
साल
that is garment.
garment.
Hmm.
How saris is worn in most part of the country. The styles of wearing the sari depends on different states.
Very
Find
good.
out how the women in Bengal traditionally tie their
Tight hair,
sari.
saris. Yes, you can find out how they wear their saris. No doubt. Yes, the younger generation. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
the younger generation, however, wears the combination of clothes belonging to different cultures. है ना? They wear which type of clothes? Which is having different cultures, reflecting different cultures. We wear Western clothes also. We wear Indian clothes also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, however, wears a combination of clothes belonging to different cultures. If you are a girl, your cupboard may be full of skirts, shorts, lehengas, or special occasions, and probably one or two salwar kameez for or chudidar. And if you're a boy, you probably have almira, an almira full of jeans, shorts, pants, and even a suit or a chudidar kurta for special occasions. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Revise it this much.
Okay. The younger generation, however, wears a combination of clothes belonging to different culture. If you are a girl, your cupboard may be full of skirts, shorts, lehengas of special
Occasion.
occasion, and probably one or two salwar kameez or churidars.
Hmm. Shall understood till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt till here, boys? It's very easy, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Yes.
Yes, who replied me? Chalo. There are many traditional medicines, hundred of years old,
मैम
that
ये
are.
वाला
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
एंड इफ यू वाला तो
Okay,
मेरा
okay,
काम
complete.
बाकी.
Okay, complete it.
And if you are a boy, you probably have an almirah full of jeans,
Hmm.
shorts, pants, and even a suit of churidar kurta for special
Occasion.
oc- occasion.
Chalo, very good. Understood everyone? Any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, boys, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Why one or two boys only replying? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, I am replying.
Only you are replying. No one else is replying.
हम 11 लोग हैं वो भी reply नहीं.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Yes, beta. Read, do you know?
Okay, ma'am. There are
There
many
are many
there are many traditional medicine.
traditional medicine hundreds of years old.
मैम ये बीच बीच में
Still,
बोल रहा.
Yes, whose mic is on?
मोहम्मद हसन मोब बीच बीच में बोल रहा है. माइक नहीं ऑन उसका.
Mohammed Hassan, can you please mute your mic?
कर दिया.
I'm sorry, मुझे नहीं पता था मेरा माइक स्टार्ट है.
No problem, beta.
There are many traditional medicines hundreds of years old that are still very popular. How most people approach क्या है मैम ये ए डबल पी
Yes. Approach to allopathic,
approach an allopathic doctor
allopathic, allopathic.
allopathic
Hmm.
doctor when they are unwell. Many prefer al- alternative
Alternative. Very good.
alternative medicines like herbal medicines, homeopathic
Very good.
treatment treatment or Ayurveda.
Yes, very good.
Some, some people practice yoga to stay fit and recover from illness. Illness.
Illness, illness.
Illness.
Yes. So what is written in? Do you know, Mohammed? Can you say?
Yes, मैम डॉक्टर के बारे में कुछ बता रहे.
हाँ, but what it is?
मैम वो मेडिसिन्स के बारे में बता रही.
Yes, yes, very good. But what kind of medicines? When does one require medicine? Say me.
आयुर्वेदिक, होम्योपैथिक,
Acha.
Allopathic doctor,
Hmm.
फिर अप्रोच
alternative
Yeah.
medicines,
Yes.
अनवेल मैनी
अच्छा मैं
herbal
बताऊं.
medicines,
हाँ, herbal medicines very good. हाँ.
योगा.
Okay. Now see,
yoga,
when does one require medicines, that we will first see. Okay. कि medicines की जरूरत कब पड़ती है? Okay. Whenever you are ill, right? Whenever you are not well. Otherwise, we don't take medicines. Do we take medicines?
नो.
Yeah,
no,
right? We do not take medicines, right? But whenever we are ill, So there are many traditional and hundreds of years ago medicines जो हम खाते थे, right?
Yes,
Old
ma'am.
medicines that are still very popular, वो अभी भी बहुत popular है, right? The
और
most
डॉक्टर बहुत पॉपुलर है।
हाँ, though most of the people approach an allopathic doctor. Allopathic doctor means what? The doctor which prescribes you medicines which you take from the medical store, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So most of the people approach allopathic doctor, okay,
Yes.
when they are unwell, okay, when they are not well. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, when we are well, we don't go, right? Many prefer alternatives, right? Many prefer alternatives. Alternatives for what? Like herbal medicines, homeopathic medicines, treatment, or an Ayurveda. Or what, beta?
आयुर्वेदा।
Yes. Some,
Ayurveda.
yes, and some people also practice yoga. What do they practice, beta?
योगा।
ये
Yes, why do
ताकि
they
हमारा
practice
शरीर
yoga?
ताकि ताकि हमारा शरीर फिट और
क्योंकि हमारा शरीर फिट हो
Huh?
स्वस्थ रहे।
Yes,
और
like
हमें
now.
कोई बीमारी ना लगे।
Yes, like nowadays, because of this corona,
Yes.
yes, everyone would
यस
turn
मैम।
to yoga, right? Everyone says do meditation, do yogas
यस।
to increase your immunity, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
यस।
and not yes, and not to get more sick, right? Yes or no?
राइट।
Yes.
यस।
What do you all do to increase your immunity? हाँ,
क्या मैम?
आप लोग आपकी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए क्या क्या करते हो? व्हाट डू यू ऑल डू टू इंक्रीज योर इम्यूनिटी? डू यू डू योगा,
योगा।
एक्सरसाइज?
योगा।
योगा करते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं,
Okay, do you do
क्योंकि
that?
हम फिट रहे।
मैम कभी कभी करते हैं।
अच्छा,
हम कभी
ओके,
कभी।
ओके, तो अगर आप लोग नहीं करते हो तो अब करना, और अगर फिर भी टाइम ना मिले तो आपको क्या करना है पता है? आपको कोई भी गेम खेलनी है, आउटडोर गेम, ओके, नॉट मोबाइल गेम। दिस विल
फ्री फायर।
ऑल्सो, हाँ,
फ्री फायर सब खेल।
मैं तो पूरा डे मोबाइल मोबाइल गेम क्या नीचे ही खेल रहा होता है।
यस, यू शुड गो टू प्ले इन आउटडोर गेम्स, नॉट इंडोर गेम्स, राइट?
यस
ओके।
मैम। राइट।
सो दैट योर
हम इंडोर गेम में कैरम और ऐसे गेम में वो खेल सकते हैं ना।
now you should also know what is homeopathic and ayurvedic medicines. You know, the generally ayurvedic medicines, they are a little bit, you can say they are very sour, there is no taste also, whereas homeopathic medicines, they come sweet, है ना? Yes or
यस
no?
मैम।
They are
यस।
little sweeter
यस
in taste, right? So everyone likes to eat homeopathic, right? Yes or no?
यस मैम।
Shall understood till here, everyone?
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
Yes, anyone any doubt till here?
नो
हाँ मैम,
मैम।
एलोपैथिक ये जो है ना, ये दवा मैंने भी खा ली।
You have eaten those medicines?
यस मैम, ये होम्योपैथिक वाला मैंने खा लिया है।
Okay, very good. Chala. Homeopathic medicines you get from the clinics, right?
यस।
यस मैम।
Yes. Now the next we will see about the traditional way of thinking people. Thinking help people to feel that they belong to special and unique group, right? कैसे ग्रुप को बिलोंग करते हैं हम? स्पेशल एंड यूनिक ग्रुप. People who migrate from one place to another. Yes. Where do they migrate? They migrate from one place to another, like to maintain links with the original culture. They do this for forming. What do they? Why do they do this? For forming. है ना?
यस मैम।
Yes, they
यस
do
मैम।
this
सेल्फ
by
फॉर्मिंग।
forming. They do this by forming organizations. By forming what?
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
Yes, by forming organization and meeting each other regularly. How do they do? They meet each other regularly.
regularly.
Example,
regularly.
example, there are many Indian organizations in foreign countries where people of Indian origin meet up with each other for special on special occasions. Yes, so ऐसे
Yes,
organizations
ma'am.
भी होते हैं जहाँ पे people meet करते हैं, right? And they help each other. They communicate in the different languages, and they
ओकेशंस क्या है?
हाँ
ओकेशंस का मतलब क्या होता है?
जो फेस्टिवल्स हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं मतलब ओकेशंस कहते हैं, है ना?
ओके मैम.
Okay. Yes. Anyone? Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Who will like to revise?
ओके मैम. Traditions way of thinking help people to feel that they belong to a special and unique group. People who migrate from one place to another like to maintain links with their original culture. They do this by forming organizations and meeting each other regularly. E.g., e.g. there are many
Easy ना
in
कहवाए. Easy ना कहवाए. Example.
example. Example, there are many Indian organizations in foreign uh, countries
Foreign.
where people
Foreign.
countries foreign countries where people to Indian origin meet up with each other on special occasions.
Yes. Very good. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Many of you are replying. Who was that who replied? Other than Anas? Other than Anas, किसने reply किया था अभी?
पता
मैं
नहीं मैम बताती
मोहम्मद गाजी मोहम्मद हसन मॉब दो लोगों ने और
Very
मैंने.
good, Mohammed Hassan Mob. Anas, you are always replying. I'm very proud of you. Yes, Mob. Mohammed Hassan Mob.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Will you like to revise this paragraph? Will you like to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read.
मैम आपका साउंड नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes, please revise this paragraph.
Yes.
मैम आपका वॉल्यूम मोबाइल का होता है ना वो फुल फास्ट कर डालो.
Ma'am, yes.
But
Okay, read then.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, read this better.
Traditional way of thinking help people to feel that they belong to specially and unique group.
Unique.
People who migrate from one place to another like to maintain links with their original culture. They do this by forming origin organizations and meeting each other regularly. Each there are many Indian organizations in foreign
Foreign.
countries.
Foreign. Foreign countries.
Foreign
बोले foreign नहीं.
countries.
Yes.
Foreign countries where people of Indian origin meet up with each other on special occasions.
Yes. On special
Occasion.
occasions.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, understood till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, everyone?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So traditionally, in such a foreign countries where we don't have our culture, people gather there, and especially uh, they have special gathering, and then they they together they listen each other and they form different. Whose voice is coming? Yes, they gather and they understand each other cultures. They eat each other's food and they understand each other's culture, and so that they can learn new things, right? So this way, different type of people meet each other and follow the rules of their see the culture followed in their particular religion, particular country, right? Okay, now points to remember. People in different parts of the country have their own way of doing things. Migration of people to different parts of the world has led to the world become a melting pot. Climate plays a very important role in deciding the food and dress habits of the people. Alternate medicines like Ayurveda and herbal medicines are very popular with many people, with different peoples, right? All this is very popular. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, well understood everyone till here the lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
boys.
ma'am.
Do you have any doubt till here?
No, ma'am. किसी को
No.
लगता नहीं पड़ता.
So then yes, we finish our lesson number 3, right?
ओके मैम, अब इसका फिलिंग का ब्लैंक्स वगैरह सब सेंड करोगे ना?
Yes,
Ah.
today I'll send the notes of this lesson. You have to copy down in your fair books, okay? All of you.
ओके मैम, अभी थोड़े दिन के बाद भेजना है क्योंकि मेरा इंग्लिश का लेसन नंबर 4
No,
लिखने का.
I will not send. I will send according to the rules, okay? Hmm? Whenever I finish the lesson, I will send it. When you say I will send, it's not possible. Clear, everyone?
ओके मैम.
हेलो मैम,
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
क्या फेसबुक में लिखने का है?
Hmm?
अभी कुछ नहीं.
I will send you today the note, okay? Notes of the lesson number 3, okay? First, I will send textbook notes, okay? And then I will send extra notes, okay?
ओके मैम.
टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज में नोट्स कितने हैं
तो
वो
मैम
मैं हाँ
कल तो मेरा 43 रोल नंबर है, तो मेरे को कल जाना रहेगा ना सप्लीमेंट देने.
बेटा you are asking me instead of you ask your class teacher. Teacher might have sent you the list, right? List of students.
उसमें
रोहन की
लेकिन
तबीयत
रोहन सर
खराब है.
नहीं आते.
उनकी
अच्छा,
तबीयत खराब है ना इसलिए.
बट आपको कोई नोट्स तो भेजते होंगे ना, तो उनको पूछ लेना.
हाँ मैम,
या फिर रचिता मैम को
हाँ,
पूछ
रूबी
लेना.
मैम पूछते. रूबी
ओके, बट
मैम
बेटा
लेते.
लिस्ट तो मिल चुका होगा आपके ग्रुप में. विच रोल नंबर हैज टू कम व्हेन.
हाँ
हाँ
मैम,
मैम.
आ गया है लिस्ट.
हाँ, then follow that. You don't need to ask also any teacher. Okay? The roll number list you have got in your group.
Yes.
Got or not, everyone?
Six.
Yes, मैम.
So follow that, okay? All of
ओके.
you, the roll number list which you have got, follow those lists. Follow that list, okay?
ओके मैम.
मैम मीटिंग कब है?
From 11 o'clock onwards, okay? Is it clear, all of you?
यस मैम.
Yes.
Yes,
ये
then
बताओ.
come according to your roll numbers, okay? Chalo, bye all of you.